Cicadas are insects. They are 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters long. Cicadas walk on 6 legs. They use their 4 wings to fly. Most are dark in color.
PebbleGo.
Let's go to next.
Young cicadas live underground in the soil. Adult cicadas live above ground in grass and trees. Cicadas are found all around the world.
Sorry, everyone. I just went to the washroom. Okay, now let's go to the food.
A cicada uses its long mouth to suck food into its body. Young cicadas that live underground suck sap from tree roots. Adult cicadas eat plants.
Huh? What's that?
Sap, a sticky, watery fluid found inside plants and trees.
Ooh. That's weird. They even have sound. That looks scary. Strange. Even. Wow! It's everywhere. It's everywhere in the world.
Young cicadas, called nymphs, hatch from eggs. Young cicadas, called nymphs, hatch from eggs. Nymphs live underground until they are fully grown. Cicadas become adults after they leave the soil and molt.
They look so scary. Ah! Fun facts. Oh my god!
A cicada has 5 eyes. Some kinds of cicadas live to be 17 years old. Female cicadas can lay up to 600 eggs at a time.
Wow! That's a lot. This is scary, Yanni. I'm leaving out of here.
Insects.
Insects. Crickets.
Crickets are insects that leap on long back legs. Most crickets have black, green, or brown bodies. They are 0.25 to 1.25 inches, 0.6 to 3.2 centimeters long.
Wow! Let's listen then. Ooh, these sound like crickets. That word. They're gonna be found everywhere. I know it again. Wow.
Crickets are insects that leap on long back legs. Most crickets have black, green, or brown bodies. Crickets are found all over the world.
Wow!
They are drawn to warm, damp areas. Crickets live on the ground, in trees, or in buildings. Crickets hide during the day. Crickets find food at night. They eat plants and insects. Crickets will even eat other crickets. Sharp jaws help crickets bite and chew.
That's really bad! Why are they eating other crickets? Don't they have a family? These are small, tiny.
Crickets go through metamorphosis. Nymphs hatch from eggs. They molt and become adults in about 3 months. Crickets live up to 2 years.
Wow. Alright, let's
Metamorphosis. The series of changes some animals go through as they develop from eggs to adults.
Oh!
Nymph. A young form of an insect. Nymphs are small crickets without wings. Molt. To shed an exoskeleton or outer layer of skin or feathers so a new covering can grow.
Fun fact. This don't look that scary.
Most crickets have wings, but they cannot fly. Male crickets rub their wings together to sing. Crickets have ears on their legs.
What?
Home.
On their legs? Wow!
PebbleGo.
Insects.
Let's go to Cicadas, crickets. Oh, it's
Honeybees.
worms.
Home.
Inchworms are named for their size. They are 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters long. Inchworms are insects. They are caterpillars that become moths. They look like little twigs on plants.
Wow!
Inchworms live most everywhere that trees grow. They live on leaves of shade trees like elms and oaks. They live on leaves of apple trees too. Inchworms also live on garden plants.
That's amazing!
Insects.
And corn fruit. That's scary.
Leaves are the main food of the inchworm. Some eat lichen, flowers, or pollen. A few types of inchworms eat insects and other living animals.
What's in the chip?
Lichen. A flat, mossy growth on rocks and trees.
Now it's in Poland.
Insects. Moths go through metamorphosis. Larvae, called inchworms, hatch from eggs. In a few weeks, the inchworms form chrysalises to become pupae and then adults.
What is larva?
Larva. An insect at the stage in its life cycle between an egg and a pupa. Larvae often look like worms.
Look this.
Chrysalis, the third life stage of a butterfly or moth when it is a pupa. A hard outer shell covers the chrysalis.
The pupa. Oh, I knew this pupa. I know pupa. Fun facts.
Inchworms are sometimes called measuring worms. Inchworms move forward first with the back legs and then with the front legs. Crawling inchworms look like an upside-down U.
Take this.